Hammerskins is an offshoot of the Hammerskins Nation, which was founded here in 1988. Hammerskins Germany's band is the 20th band of a group with right-wing associations by the Interior Ministry. An Interior Ministry official says this puts an end to the...
But he was the number one high school player in his class, ahead of Trevor Lawrence. He was the number... something...
for killing them.
Years, I've never seen a team get off to such a bad start, especially a team that was a playoff team last year. And from all indications, nobody was throwing any garbage cans at halftime.
Being one of, if not the biggest comeback in their history, and beat the Cardinals.
Well, Brian,
I see this happen in my lifetime.
Each year, let's just play this out hypothetically. First drive of the game, Zach Wilson throws. That next series, that is when they need to show a change.
I'd love to see it.
That's exactly what has to happen.
But it's not going to happen.
See how he responds.